My name is Josh Ladd. I'm the go-to-market manager for our application products. We have a few features we're really excited about for model year 26. At the top of the list has got to be variable rate for See & Spray Select. See & Spray Select is primarily used in the northern central plains and has primarily been used for fallow application, looking for green weeds against brown or black soils. New for this year, however, we introduced variable rate for later season fungicide, desiccation, PGR, for example, type products, where the operator can now set the bands of application and the target application rate, and using the cameras and the processors, the machine will automatically adjust the rate of application to ensure we're putting the right amount of product down across every acre of every field. When we think about some of the later season passes with a lot of the customers that we've talked with and small grain producers, the general sentiment has been we're going to spray at our target rate, but we know that in certain acres we may need more or we may need less. And for a while, there's never really been an option unless they're running off of a prescription map. But now with See & Spray Select, we're able to do that in real time. So the operator has confidence that regardless of the product, we are putting the appropriate amount down on any given acre across the entirety of the field. So new for model year 26, we also had a couple great new updates for our AutoTrac technology with application. New for John Deere and Heggie sprayers, we introduced AutoTrac turn automation. So a lot of our customers have likely experienced this capability on some of our other Deere products. We were very excited to bring it to application this year. For John Deere, we also introduced AutoTrac Vision 2.0, a new system for model year 26 John Deere sprayers that uses a stereo and mono camera in combination to keep the sprayer pinpoint precise on the row up to 22 miles an hour to limit crop damage and hopefully improve yields. So software updates for existing machines, we'll have information on that later this year. Those features will come standard on model year 26 machines from the factory. Another big thing I really want to focus on for our customers is the availability of a new precision upgrade kit for See & Spray Select. So if you've seen your neighbor or folks in the area running this technology and have said, man, I really want to get Select, but I'm just not in the market for buying a brand new sprayer, we now have an option going back to 2018 and newer John Deere sprayers through our Precision Upgrades business. So if you're interested in that, I would encourage you to visit Deere.com for more information or to talk with your dealer on if it may be a great fit for you.